Here's a Radio Shack Science Fair Globe Patrol kit, AM shortwave receiver, catalog number 28205. I built one of these in the early 70s when I was a teenager. My first time with a soldering iron. This radio I bought on eBay because I stripped the one that I built as a kid for parts for a transmitter I was building. The manual was my original manual. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Reservation or attend a Sunday service, or for more information on how to receive the teaching, call 1-800-338-3030. That's 1-800-338-3030. The address to write Pastor Scott is 1615 South Glendale Avenue, Glendale, California, 91205, USA. Once again, that's 1615 South Glendale Avenue, Glendale, California, 91205, United States of America. Visit Pastor Scott's website at PastorMelissaScott.com. That's Pastor Melissa Scott. The free state of Florida, so we try to lower our taxes and we try to keep term limits and to help make it what our federal limits should be. Every hour you work.
Even my boys don't know that it's okay. They time and money on prescription.
Good RA. Good RA.
Listening to the radio. Tons of them. If you're running for office, radio is where people are actually tuned in. Not switching past ads. Connect with communities everywhere and get on the air.
Affordable online degree course certificate from University of Maryland. From Harvard Center for American Political Studies.
Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and feel free to comment. Thanks again. 73s.